Hi, James. Corey here. Real quick, I'm going to shoot over those three free tips that we were actually talking about yesterday. Applying these three tips, you can actually bring in that quality traffic that you're actually looking for and really grow your business as much as you really want to. But the three things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. First thing, content. Really just positioning your website so you can have enough content in there so you can actually layer in those keywords. Those keywords are what people are actually searching for and how your website's being found as well. Kind of give you an idea here. I went inside of Google and typed in window cleaning Sacramento. This is what you're going to see. You got these Google guarantees here at the very top. Those old school ads became really spammy, so Google came up with these Google guarantees to help block out some of those spam phone calls. Just another form of paid advertisement, really, which a lot of people do have ad blockers, so a lot of these ads aren't even getting through. Underneath those ads, we have this map pack here at the very top. And some people call it a 3-pack, but this Google My Business or GMB, whatever you want to call it, to get in the very top area, you're going to be dealing with what's called our citations. You can see the different businesses as well, even multiple pages. And to get to the very top here, you're going to get those citations, and these citations range from, like Facebook, LinkedIn, City Star, the local best. There's thousands of them out there. So ideally, what you'd want to do is go get those same citations from your top competitors. We obviously don't want to stop there, though. We want to go out and completely outrank our competition. So I would do maybe 50 or even 100 times the amount of citations that your competitors have. So when Google does all their algorithms and whatnot, they got no reason to put you in the very top for inside this listing for all that work that you've done on it. And then underneath this GMB thing here, we got that first page of Google. This is really where all that organic traffic happens. And to get your website on that first page to really bring in those leads, really comes down to making sure you have all that content. Also being found for those keywords. Those keywords are what people are actually searching for and how you actually can bring in those leads coming in from them keywords as well. And I'll actually show you the volume coming from each of those keywords in just a minute. But also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is just a link for multiple different websites linking back to your website. And these other websites, all they do is just really give you power so you can actually get on that first page of Google, so you can actually bring in those leads coming off that first page. Kind of give you an example here. I took your URL and stuck it inside of Ahrefs. Ahrefs is just a tool, lets people see what happens behind the scenes of a website. So it looks like you got this thing going back in January 2019 or so. You're missing the traffic. You got 6 keywords from your website. These keywords, which I'll go in and I'll actually show you what people are actually searching for. 16 referring domains, which you got 475 backlinks. Historically, you've almost had 1,000 there. And this right here just kind of shows you the quality of the backlinks. Let me show you one of your competitors. This is Clean Choice. I stuck them inside of Ahrefs as well. They're not really ranking all that great, but this is just some of the keywords we can actually go after and help drive that traffic to your site to help grow your business. Window Cleaning Sacramento, there's 150 clicks a month with that one keyword. Even 6th position, he's getting 9 clicks out of that. Ideally, you should be about 15 to 20% of whatever keywords you actually want to go after. And that just comes in with the quality of backlinks as well, and also being found for that keyword. Pressure washing Sacramento, I don't know if you do pressure washing, but there's 150 clicks right there. Window washing Sacramento, another 40 clicks. Sacramento window cleaning, another 30 clicks. Window washing commercial. Gutter cleaning Sacramento, 150 clicks. That's a good thing for you. And also has a 0 KD, meaning that'll bounce in. You can actually drive a decent amount of traffic real quick because it's a 0 KD. And really coming in, finding all these keywords that's just going to help you drive more and more traffic, for those areas, different locations, whatnot. So even go after the gutters and also the window cleanings, and I think we could really drive and grow your business here. Anyway, I'd love to put a custom game plan to help to get to where you want to go. Or if you just want to play these 3 free tips for yourself, that's fine too. Look forward to chatting with you soon. Bye.